everyone, so today we are here at Bay Lake Tower where we are staying in a one-bedroom villa. So we do have a standard view. It's kind of half standard, half not, so we lucked
Yeah,
out on
so
that one.
the standard view rooms are on the lower floors, which usually means you have trees in front of your room, but we kind of have like an opening where we have sort of a lake view. So it's like a half lake view, half standard view. Not a bad room at all, and I think we'll be able to see some fireworks over Space Mountain when the time comes. So
We'll find out.
not bad at all for a standard view for sure.
Yeah, so this room sleeps up to 5 people and is one of the few one-bedroom villas in DVC that actually has 2 full bathrooms. So that is really nice, really convenient, especially if you have 5 adults in this room. We all know you need 2 bathrooms.
Yeah, very handy having that extra bathroom here, but let's go check out the room. So this one bedroom villa does have the ability to become a 2-bedroom lock-off. You can see there's a connecting door here. That is where it connects to the studio next door. And that would make it a 2-bedroom lock-off if we had that open. And then we have a small closet here right next to that that has our laundry basket and a little bit of hanging space there, as well as our high chair and pack and play. And the other thing here in the entryway is our second bathroom that we mentioned. So this room does have a full-size second bathroom available. You've got the tub and toilet in here, of course the shower as well. And you have a small vanity here in the corner. Very, very small, but you do have that there with the sink and a little shelf down underneath. And the kind of wraparound mirror that if you stand in just the right place, you can disappear from. Super creepy. Also got to point out this fun little Mickey art they have on the wall here. Even has its own little spotlight pointing on it. That's kind of fun. Now, being in a 1-bedroom villa with vacation club rooms, you do have the in-room washer and dryer, which is super nice for us to have. So we've got the full-size washer and dryer stackable unit there in the closet. And then coming into the main part of the room here, we've got a pretty good sized dining room table with a bench that goes all the way around. No chairs for the table, just the bench on either side and the end there. And our art on the wall of Space Mountain, which is actually a pretty cool canvas wrap. Like, I would love to have one of those if they sold them in the gift shop, because that's pretty awesome. And then the kitchen is over to the left, and the kitchen has an island here with a couple bar stools at it. Inside the island, there are some cabinets and drawers. We have stuff like our silverware in there, pots and pans, I believe, down lower, and some bakeware and things like that on the side. So storage built into the island there. The kitchen itself is a full-size kitchen, so we have a full-size fridge and freezer. We've got a dishwasher, a stove with an oven, as well as a microwave. And then in all the cabinets up above, you're gonna have things like your plates and cups and stuff like that. Also, they have these fun shaped colored plates here, which they don't have in any other DVC rooms that we've seen. They've all been just plain white dishes. In addition to the regular appliances, you also have your toaster in here, as well as a full-size coffee maker in these rooms. And they do include a few bags of coffee, but you'll definitely want to bring your own if you're going to be here more than a day or two. Then in the living room area, you have a sofa that does pull out into a queen-size bed, so you can sleep 2 there on that sofa. The little footstool here does have wheels and roll around the room, and inside there you'll find your pillows and sheets for these additional beds. And then the chair over here also pulls out into a bed. It pulls out into a twin-sized bed. We've got a small dresser over here with a couple cabinets and some drawers for storage, and then a DVD player with our gigantic TV on the wall. I love the window that goes all the way across the room. All these rooms have pretty big windows in them, which is great. In this case, we have a standard view, so coming out here onto our balcony, quickly you can see this balcony is shared between the living room area and the bedroom, has the sliding doors over there. Good sized balcony with a couple chairs and a little table. And you can see what we were talking about with the standard view. You're down low. Looks like they're doing some work out here. Got the trees kind of obstructing your view, but over to the right, we have a really nice view of Bay Lake through the trees there. And on our left, we have Space Mountain and the cranes that are working on the Tron roller coaster. So we're hoping that at night we'll be able to see the fireworks over there above Space Mountain. We'll see how it goes. Now moving on to the bedroom area, you do have a bathroom in here with the bedroom as well. So in the bedroom, you're gonna have a king size bed here in the room. You've got a nightstand on either side. Now neither of these nightstands have any of the USB outlets or anything built in, so you do have to work with the wall plugs back behind the nightstand. And then above the bed, we have some fun Mickey and Minnie and Goofy there in the art. Loving the style of the art here in this room. They've got Mickey, Minnie, and Goofy hiding in there. Our dresser has a couple drawers in it, has a small TV built into the dresser there with a little box to connect all of your, well, some of your devices. You've got HDMI, and then you have like the RCA cables, which is interesting. And then over to the left, we also have a little bench there with a drawer underneath, as well as a full-length mirror. In the corner of the room, we've got a desk. Again, no USB outlets because these were built before they were using those. However, you do have some wall outlets built into the desk there, as well as high-speed internet access and a phone line. So, you know, if you need to plug in your Ethernet cable or your phone line, you can do that. And you got the desk there, and then another chair over here on this side of the bed. And then once again, that's the same balcony that's shared with the living room area. We'll head into the bathroom area. As you can see, there's a kind of a window between the two here. We can open this up. I'm not really sure why you would, but you can open that up and I guess try and watch TV while you lay in the tub, but interesting there. They've got those in several of the rooms that are one bedrooms. We do have a closet in this room as well. And this closet has our safe, as well as another one of those luggage racks and the iron and ironing board, some hangers, and a little shelf in there. So a small closet to store some things in here. In the bathroom, we have a single vanity, but we do have a very large countertop, so that's nice. Even though it's not a double, you've got a lot of space to kind of spread out there, as well as a cabinet and a few shelves and drawers down below. Just the one kind of circular mirror there, no makeup mirror on the wall or anything like that, so a little bit limited on that side of things. And then our jetted tub in here is super big. Really nice jetted tub there, so we've got that. And then above it is another awesome piece of art of Cinderella's castle. Looks kind of like an infrared print kind of looking thing. Pretty awesome. Love that there. And then in the other half of the bathroom, as you can see, there is a door there for that as well. This is where you're going to find your toilet as well as your walk-in shower. So the other bathroom has the tub. This one has the shower. And we have the little seat in there, as well as the large shower head up in the ceiling and the kind of an interesting looking shower head there in the wall built in. No detachable shower head in this room, but you do have one built into the wall, as well as the overhead shower head. And we'll head back into the living room area briefly and show you the beds that are pulled out, just so you have an idea of how much room it takes up. That is what your beds will look like pulled out. Your queen pull-out couch and your twin pull-out chair. So if you're going to have 5 people in here, might get just a little bit crowded with the beds pulled out, but overall, pretty big room. And other than trying to find somewhere to put all the luggage, I think you'll be in pretty good shape to have 5 people in the room. And that is going to conclude our tour here of the 1-bedroom villa standard view at Bay Lake Tower. Thanks for watching that video, and if you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up down below, and you can leave any questions you have in the comments section. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, go and check out our channel, and feel free to subscribe because you'll get notified when we have new ones that come out.
And for even more information about Walt Disney World and the Walt Disney World Resorts, head to herewiththeears.com. We've got a blog on there that has so much information for you guys. Thank you for watching, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.